All right, now you can now remix your Instagram Reels. What is that? It's a brand new feature, and we're gonna see how to use it in this video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. We're gonna go to Instagram, and it's very similar to TikTok Duet. This is where you have someone else's video on the side, and then you create your video on the side. That's called remix. Now, it's a brand new feature, so if you do not have this yet, go update your Instagram app, and then it should be rolling out to everyone pretty soon. Now, how do you use this feature? Well, first of all, I'm gonna go to my Reels tab right here. As a creator, when you create content, you do have to enable this feature on your Instagram Reels. You can enable remixing or disable it, meaning if you disable it, people will not be able to remix on your reel. But first of all, let's see how to use this. So I'm going to go to my actually Reels tab right here.
So you know it's important to caption.
So let's look at this video. So see right here, I'm not seeing an option to remix. Why? Maybe that creator maybe does not have that option yet, or maybe shouldn't enable it. So either one of those two things. But now look at this creator. So when I click on these three bars, here you go. Look at this, remix this reel. So when I click on this, now it's a side-by-side view like this. So now I can click on record button and do my reaction to it. Hey, what's up? I'm doing a demo of Instagram Reels remix. Let's see. And if you see on the top, that bar right here, so I still have a lot of time left. So I can keep on recording or record the length that I want. And then once you're done, hit on the next arrow. And now I have access to different things here. First of all, right here is the different stickers that I can use. Now, cool thing is, if you click here on these bars, I can adjust the volume. So I'm doing a Instagram. So here's my audio right here, and then here's the audio from the original reel video. Super, super fun. And then obviously you can draw on this and then hit done, and then click on share, and then you can post this. So it's very similar to, if you used TikTok Duet feature, it's very similar to that. Instagram is calling it remix. So this is how you use the Instagram Reels remix feature. Now, one thing I want to mention, if you are a content creator, if you're creating Instagram Reels, you do on your older Reels, one thing I noticed, you do have to go back and enable it. So I did go back to my earlier videos and enable it, but let me find one where it may not have been enabled and show you what I mean. For example, I believe, let's look at this reel right here. When I click on the three dots, and now look at this. So I have to manually select enable remixing. Right now, if someone goes to this reel, they will not be able to remix this Instagram reel. So let me go back here, and let's click on enable remixing right here. So I don't know why Instagram did that. Maybe it's that's part of their strategy, but you do have to go back to your older Instagram Reels and enable that so other people can remix it. So this is a brand new feature from Instagram, Remix. If you don't have it, go update your app, start using it, start creating content. I do think it's going to open up a lot of doors, a lot of options for creators to be more creative with their content, because now they can do reaction videos. They can take an idea that someone else did and continue with that creative idea. So they can, a lot of options to create more amazing content on Instagram Reels platform. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.